Cash App Advisor, one of the best guides for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. In this video, we will show you exactly how to find your Cash App account number step by step. It's quick, easy, and super important if you want to manage your money smoothly. If you're using Cash App and need your account number, you're in the right place. Whether you're setting up direct deposit or need it for other payments, knowing how to find your Cash App account number is super important. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find it step by step. Let's get started. To understand this entire method with screenshots, we have come to this website called Cabbage Loan Guide. There is an article on this website titled Know How to Find Routing Number on Cash App in Few Steps. This article explains how to find the routing number, but process of finding the routing number is the same as finding the account number. When we scroll down in this article, you will find a lot of information about the routing number. You can read this information if you want. The link to this article is available in the description. As we continue scrolling, we find a subheading, How to Find Routing Number on Cash App. This subheading explains the complete process step by step with screenshots. Let's go through this process to understand how to find the Cash App account number. First, you need to open the Cash App and click on the bank icon at the bottom left corner as shown in this image. Once you click on the bank icon, you will see some information about your Cash App account. At the top, you will find an option labeled Account and Routing. Click on it. As soon as you click on this option, your routing number and account number will appear on screen. For security reasons, we have hidden these details in this guide, but you can easily find your account number this way. If you want to copy it, simply click on Copy Account Number and you're done. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and easily find your Cash App account number. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.